All right, so again, I would like you to just try this. So I would like you to read it, pause it, try the Venn diagram. Just see if you can do it, because you can erase it. Pause it, try it. Okay, Misty polls 200 houses. She found that 32 of the homes have dogs, 32, and 54 of the homes found that 32 of the homes have dogs, and 54 of the have dogs and cats, so this is giving it separate, and 16 only have a cat. Okay, so those three numbers should add up to 200. So 32 plus 54 plus 16 adds up to 102, which means 98 people don't have pets. That's what that's saying, right? So on the first one, they want the probability of C. So C is all of these. And before I do that, some of you might have actually done this. It might make it easier just if you're doing probabilities. These are all probabilities here. Sometimes I think it's easier to find the probabilities. So 32 divided by 200, because there's 200, so this is 0.16. 54 divided by 200, so this is 0.27. 16 divided by 200 is 0.08. And then 98 divided by, divided by 200 is 0.49. Okay, and you don't have to do this. You can do this as you go, but sometimes I do think it's easier because now I'm looking at the probabilities. And isn't this 0.16 plus 0.27? Okay, so that answer is 0.43. I don't think this is horrendous. That means 43% of this neighborhood has dogs. Okay, now find the probability, so I'm going to erase this so we can just kind of highlight, of not D. Okay, so if you look at this, this is everybody that doesn't have a dog. Isn't that these two? Because all the other ones have dogs. So you have 0.08 plus 0.49. I can't believe I just put that in the calculator. 49 cents plus 8 cents is 57 cents, right? So I got that one. And now the probability of D or C. So the probability of D or C is anybody with dogs or cats. So isn't that going to be all of the stuff inside of the circle? So you could have actually subtracted. I think this is going to come out as 51. So we'll talk about that because that's kind of what I was saying yesterday. Like there's a million ways of doing these. So what I did on this is I added up these numbers because those are the people with both. But couldn't I also use this amount? If this is the people that don't have dogs or cats, then can't you take 1 minus that and get 0.51? So that's the question. I don't think this one is too horrendous. You guys can do it.